Hello, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video I'm going to show you how the class syntax is work in Python. I'm not going to go deeply explain in this topic because I also not understand much about it, but I know a very fundamental about class. So you expect to see in this video very fundamental of how to create, for example, how to create a class, how to give a name for that class function and other stuff also. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm back with the code. In the last time I finished up I show you how the input is work with other, how inputs syntax are work and how inputs are work with others functions also, values. But in today's video this is not the topic, so I'm going to delete those line of code. And to create a class we just have to write it down and then to give a name for that class we can just write the name for that class after we write the class. For example, for this example let's call it Python, and then after we did that we only need to put this symbol. We don't have to create another bracket like I understand it, but in a function, when we create a function we must do that. And then let me explain why the class is needed. Mostly the classes are came back. I was distracted, but now I'm continue. Mostly we used class for complex, maybe for bunch of code, and then to access it and by just calling the class name. We can just do that by using defined int. I think that's what stand for what's called. But we can also, by using class, we can call we can import it from another file, and that's very helpful. And then also we can have many functions under the class, and then we can access it from that class name, like a library. You can, I think, yeah, like a library, we can just access it by dot. If you import, for example, panda, you can access panda to read, for example, to read a CSV file. You can just did panda dot read save CSV or CVC. I don't know. You can, I hope you got my idea. You can do that by using class, and we can create many functions under the class. I'm not going to do that because I still need to work on here. The main reason I create this channel is not to teach like a professional or some kind of a good teacher. I'm just showing to someone else my progress working, and sharing that I'm knowing currently. We can, I think don't know. I also okay, let's create some and then it take number, and then let's add x number, or we can just say 1 and 2. Okay, we cannot use number. Okay. Let's say 1 and 2. Just this is stand for number, and I show this how the sum I give when I define, when I explaining how the functions are work in Python. I give this example how we can just added if numbers by using a sum that we created functions, and thus I'm just writing down here again and just adding up those two numbers. Okay, let's say sum and it's her sum. Let's say some more sum. Okay, and if I run this one, okay, it's running out, and then maybe this I don't know, I'm just trying if it is work or not, but let me just go the other down one. Okay. Okay, I think I can load the file. I think if that work, let me try. If it doesn't work, please don't don't judge me. I did not look up any website when I make this video, and when I start this the introduction of this video, I told you that I just only show you the very basic things that you can expect from this video. And I think to load a file we have to import OS. I think I don't have. Okay, okay, I think with file and then in, let's copy this path, copy path, and then let's F open F. Does that work? Okay, it's not working. Files, I don't know. Okay, I don't know. I think I did something wrong here, and if you are advanced learner, okay, you know what, I will stop this video and I will come back after I do some research. Okay guys, I'm back with doing a little bit looking up in the web and I get like this formatting, but I still not get I'm not still figure out how to import after we read the file. Please don't judge me, I still don't know about that. But that's how can we create a class, and then that's how we can define the name for that class name, and you can call this tutorial video very fundamental of class, but I will make in the upcoming video I will make a tutorial video, and as a project video for syntax that used so far we learn in this series, and I'll see you guys in that video. Goodbye.